In April 2018, Locate, a GBG solution, commissioned Forrester Consulting to survey the market around its attitudes around location data, location intelligence, from a brand perspective and also from a consumer perspective. We surveyed 253 companies, from small innovative startups through to large enterprises, as well as over 1,500 consumers around their attitude towards these brands leveraging sensitive information such as location in order to drive value for them. As I kind of mentioned, we surveyed a number of brands in particular regions of the world, notably the US, and a number of large European economies such as the UK, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, the Benelux, and the Nordics. And from a consumer perspective, we also surveyed from those self-same regions. In particular, we looked at brands within verticals such as e-commerce, e-services, hospitality, financial services, the gaming industries, transport, logistics, and healthcare. Looking at front office capabilities around things like customer experience and personalization, and also some of the back office capabilities around data cleansing, address matching, etc. As part of that study, we also produced a report entitled Location Intelligence Drives Competitive Edge in the Digital Age, which looked at these results and the survey results, and looked at how digital disruption is essentially challenging firms in this age of the customer, and how they should turn to a more customer-obsessed perspective of the world. So trying to understand customers in their and the use of information like location and their attitudes towards these consumers, towards the brands using that location. And so the study focused on those things. The study came up with three key findings. The first one was that there's a general trend of brands' awareness of the importance of locational information. Already around half of them see locational information as being important or even critical to key front and back office capabilities in order to engage with customers and to understand them. We're going to see that increase to about 3/4 in the next within the next 3 years, where these firms are going to see this kind of information as critical. The second finding is really from a consumer perspective as well, that they are increasingly willing to give up their information around things like location in order to be able to have to get value for themselves, and that they really are expecting firms to have a trusted relationship with them before they actually give up that information. So there's particular points within the customer life cycle that brands need to be aware of and be more or less sensitive to when leveraging this kind of information. And the third big point that came out of the study was that really firms today are really struggling to leverage this information. They don't understand the compliance requirements around that, or how to leverage this information, and they lack the technology and the processes to manage locational information in order to, for front office capabilities such as personalization and customer experience, or even back office capabilities around putting that data together, modeling it and cleaning it as well.